One of the cornerstones of a great company is centered around a company that focuses on customers. And I think Veeam is very unique in that way in terms of focusing on making our customers successful. We have over 400,000 customers globally, and they are some of the most satisfied customers I've ever seen. It's very unique from that perspective. I've been with Veeam for 3 years, and I remember the first conference that I went to, customer conference, I was just blown away at how excited customers were and how much they love the company and how much they love the solution. So that makes you feel really good about the impact that you're having across the globe for 400,000 customers, and helping them to protect their data, to keep their businesses up and running. So there's this higher level, amazing thing that Veeam does in the marketplace. So I would say that's one key thing. The other is around growth, and we are a growth company. We are outgrowing the competition significantly. In fact, we just got back a report showing the first half of 2020 where we are outgrowing the competition by about 6 times. So it's always good to be in that number one position and to be gaining share on others and taking share from others. And then lastly, we have just a great group of people, and on the leadership team in particular, we have just great leaders that I really enjoy working with, that are very humble, very approachable, and really live the values of the company, which I think is really important.